Xiao-Fu?
We're standing on it.
What? You can't stand on a wall. Why, you'd get footprints all over the wallpaper.
Look at the picture, Billboard.
Well, okay. Oh, you're right, Xiao-Fu. This is it. Ah! Barkley, we found it. Oh boy. Hey, everybody! This is the Great Wall of China. Boy, that's some wall. Now what?
Doesn't the legend say that now we have to find a clue?
A clue? It was hard enough finding the wall.
But that's the legend, Daniel.
Okay, then you go that way, and I'll go this way.
Okay.
Gotta look for a monkey with a clue. Be quiet, Barkley. I'm trying to find a monkey. Hey, Barkley, would you please stop? I'm just trying to find a monkey with a clue. Oh, are you the monkey? Wait a minute. Do you have a clue to give us? The clue that will take us to the Phoenix? Then tell us, quick! What's the clue?
石头是边，手围着玻璃棋盘。
Swell. Right, Barkley. We'll ask Xiao-Fu. She'll know what he said. Xiao-Fu, we found him. The monkey with a clue. We found him, Xiao-Fu. I think we found him. He was all dressed in a spotty suit, and he had a face like a monkey, and he was here, and then he wasn't here, and then he was here, and then he wasn't here, and then... Oh, will you stop doing that?
It's the Monkey King.
The Monkey King?
All Chinese children know the Monkey King.
Well, why doesn't he just stay in one place? Oh!
Do you have a clue for us?
石头勇士，手围在玻璃棋盘。
What did he say?
He said the stone soldiers stand guard over the glass chessboard.
寻找疯狂的人，悄悄地从他们中间走过去了。
While those who would find Fang Wang sail silently among them.
The stone soldiers stand guard over the glass chessboard. That's not a clue. You're kidding. You've got something else for us, right? And when the sand runs from the top to the bottom, the phoenix will disappear. We gotta find the next place fast. Hey, this looks like a camel. Here, Barkley. Barkley, you take care of the hourglass.
Now be careful.
The stone soldiers stand guard over the glass chessboard, while those who would find Feng Huang sail silently among them. That's not a clue. Look under the sofa. Now that's a clue.